guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tammy and I'm here with my amazing wife Shay.
Hi everybody.
Hey. Alright, so by the title of the video you already know what kind of video it is. We're gonna do a vlog, and yes, we are celebrating our anniversary. We're celebrating 2 years and 10 months together, so you know every month is a celebration with us. But first, before we start the video, let me just get into the shout outs of my supporters and subscribers. This is the name of their channel, by the way, so just go on over, make sure say you subscribe to their channel, watch them videos, comment down below and make them know say comment saying. First person, Modal Glam. She does beauty lifestyle challenges and you know, business and stuff like that. She have her business page, her business stuff. She said wigs, makeup, lippies and all of them something. So you go over her channel and support her and get the good things then. Also we have Paul B. Nelson, I hope I pronounced that right. He does how-to videos, he does promotion videos, I'm sure you how to make money online, and him definitely support everybody. So go on over, check him out, follow him on IG and stuff. Subscribe to him channel, make him know say Tammy sent you. We also have John Car Gang. They do challenges and pranks. Go on over, subscribe to them channel, comment down below, make them know say Tammy sent you. Also we have Love Mar and Ray. Yes, go on over their channel, support them, let them know Tammy sent you, leave them comment down below and all that stuff. They do beauty, photography challenges and lifestyle. And the last person is Tyler and Jay. Yeah, very supportive. Go over their channel, check them out, them do pranks, challenges and more. So everybody when me call out, just go on over to their channel guys, support them, subscribe, watch them videos, like, comment and share on them stuff. Make them know say thank you. Alright, if you want to be shouted out in the next video, just leave your comments down below and remember to like this video, share it, make sure you're subscribed to my channel as well, and I will see you in the comment section because I normally go through all of the comment them so I see everybody. Alright, you ready to start the day? You're ready? Alright guys, we will see you on the other side soon. So we are here, and as you can see, the fully mask on, fully COVID. Yes. 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 So we are here at the Delray Yacht. Maybe I look food already, you know I go. You know how it is. What you say?
There's your food here.
Electronic cigarettes. Now at this time, the bar is open. We'll be for a racing cruise. Alcoholic beverages, so they'll be pointing at raising all the drinks, frozen drinks, and light snacks at the bar. So as you're looking for something,
we are here and we are going
place your order with
to
the
leave out
name
soon. So you know
the galley's open. That will be open for the racing for cruise as well.
Editing them have live this and all them some they got all of me.
Now Now folks, let's keep in mind here with the social distancing and with about vessel, all masks are required. If you are indoors and eating and drinking, the mask can come off, but otherwise the mask is required to remain on. And keep that social distancing in mind with about vessel.
Fix it.
I actually like this pink color.
Yeah. Nice.
This one here differs in a lot of ways that I will tell you about on the way up. You'll hear some things that sound a little familiar. It's unavoidable. We'll do it from the same spot. But after the first 10 minutes or so, it's really a much different cruise. Now, the waterway itself that we're traveling, the first two bridges are what are called on-request bridges.
And this is what
as
we
soon as
are
they can clear pedestrians and
having.
traffic, they'll go up for you. The last bridge, however,
We have a
Ocean
burrito.
Avenue, is like most of the bridges
Looking
in Palm Beach.
Don't say that we can't go in the water.
I know, right?
Cause the water's perfect out here.
Alright, so guys, we are outside. And this is awesome. Uh-huh. This is nice, right?
Oh, geez, they're going down.
Whoa!
This neighborhood over here to the right is one that's pretty similar to the one in the past that I've seen. Kind of get an idea of what's going on. It looks a little bit the same. It's painted a lot the same color lines. This is also a neighborhood that was fairly heavily damaged actually in Hurricane Wilma in 2005.
Under the bridge. We are under the bridge. It's opening. And it's a little through. Yes. Nice, looking good. We're on the waterfront, you know. Well, them say them have iguana problems out here.
That's the Marina Village development over there to the left. It's the tallest buildings. Point Beach, and then the lighter yellow buildings off to the left, some a little further back. That's the Casa Costa development. Start to see the
Nice. I
canal
hope you
here
guys
quite a
are
bit.
enjoying the tour so far. Yeah.
See
Is
a
it
lot of
good?
bird
How is it
activity
so
coming
far?
through the mangroves here. Cranes, egrets,
And the
frogs,
food?
pelicans, ospreys.
Yeah. Hey, baby. Getting a tan?
Natural tan.
Yes. Yes, I agree. It's a beautiful view.
Very beautiful.
I love it.
Like how screen protector.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do. I'm on my way right now to 550 subscribers. Yeah? So bless up on yourself. Alright guys, so this is it. I hope you all enjoyed this one. It was a lot because I know this one did I did after both of them. I look at that. If I close up right now. What was it, my baby? Yeah.
Houses out like that.
Delray Beach. Yeah, nice. Nice. We learn a lot. You know, the tour guide, very, you know, when I talk about and things, so very informative. That is good. If you're ever in Delray, you know where to come. You know, you want a little cruise and things. Nice. The food was good and everything, and we got a photo as well. But it was it was good. You go. Alright, so that is it. Yeah. First we just want to say to all the people, if you want a next shout out in my next video, all you need to do is comment down below, like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and everything. And of course I'll see you in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, chicken grease. Later from Twinkle.